Check, check. Hello. Can you read me? Buck Thunder. Buck. Buck. Oh, it's me, Phil, your divorce attorney. Welcome to Buck Thunder 2, See No Slaughter. Another Buck Thunder game. Your ex-wife is back and more evil than ever. She's sending a bunch of her new fucking boyfriends out. Go shoot them. Just kill them all, Buck. That's the game. Buck, it's me, Phil, your divorce lawyer again. You remember how to move and jump and everything, right? There's shit on the screen that tells you how to do all that stuff. I mean, come on, Buck. This is the second game. You know how to do all this shit. All right, Buck, you're gonna have to use the brand new double jump to get over there. Oh, shit, I'm sorry, Buck. I forgot there's no double jump, just crouch. We gotta try crouching, Buck. Fucking scheduling and scoping bullshit. A fucking crouch prioritized over a double jump. Who are these people above us? That's a good crouch, Buck. That's a good crouch. Stay sharp, Buck. A bunch of your ex-wife's new alien boyfriends. There they are, coming right at you. Just shoot them, Buck. You remember how to shoot, don't you? That's what I'm talking about, Buck. Kill those fuckers. You're the man. I love you, Buck. You're so fucking cool. Oh, I'm so excited and lit up to be your divorce attorney. You have no idea. You're my favorite client. All right, Buck, just open that door. It's so fucking easy. Just press the right button. Oh my God, Buck, you did it. You opened the door. You're a fucking genius. You are my favorite client. It's me, by the way, your divorce attorney. Don't forget, I'm Phil, your divorce attorney. Let's go. Let's get moving. Let's defeat your ex-wife. Phil here, your divorce attorney. Let me fill you in on what's going on. An alien spaceship landed in your ex-wife's backyard. She fell in love with the leader, and it turns out they're all a hive mind, so she's fucking all of them. What are the odds? I know that's probably what you're thinking, but just get out there and kill them, Buck. That's all you can do. Over and out.
Why didn't you say goodbye to Mom and Dad before they left for their trip? You know they were pissed, right? Whatever. Please to ourselves now. Oh my God, don't give me that look, narc. What, are you mad that I'm 30 tonight? It's fine. Mom and Dad are gone for a whole fucking week. We can do whatever we want. Here, come on, try some. You know it's good for your depression, right? Okay, we're totally gonna rage tonight. I cannot wait. Whoa, it's kicking in. Oh, finally, there you are. I feel like I was losing my mind. So, do you want any or nah? Fine, more for me then. All right, I'm gonna go get ready for the party. This stuff's gonna last me all week. It is powerful. Mom told me I was in charge. She did it in secret so it wouldn't hurt your feelings, and Dad said that he flat out didn't love you. It was actually pretty messed up. By the way, Mom left a note on the fridge. Go read it. Then come meet me outside. I need your help grabbing party shit from the store. You come in or what? So, I guess... Holy shit! Oh, What the fuck? Get down and stay quiet. I knew aliens were real.
Shan awalaha, shitao het gawam, alawa wan
Can you understand what they're saying? Oh shit, look, it's Mr. Pilfrey. He's got that, what's it called? Dementia.
What's going on out here? Martha, is that you? Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, what did they just do to Mr. Pilfrey?
Hola, mimatoa, it's
What the fuck is going on?
Cho, machiza, wanaho. Lumande tanda, ula bagiwa la kangama.
Oh, dale, ya. So, no me te talu, sí.
Hastata bawa. Isa, wotikawa, wuhan.
Oh!
Dude, please be careful. Oh, did that thing just spit all over
Finally!
you?
Oh my god, finally I'm free, thank god! What a nightmare! Listen, can you pull the inhibitor chip out of me? It's the metal thing stuck in me, just pull it out!
Ugh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, that feels so much better, thank you. Yeah, sorry about the spit. I needed to get you infected with the translator microbes. That's sort of how it works. I guess you guys don't have those here yet. Listen, my name's Kenny. I'm a Gatlian. We gotta move.
What is it? Is it talking to you? Maybe we should go back to the house.
Ignore her. It's very important that you listen to everything I say. Okay, it is your lucky day right now. We can survive this together if you just listen to me. You guys are gonna turn your whole species into drugs. Can you handle a gun? Because, you know, I'm kind of a gun, and if you don't use me to kill those secret grunts, you know, there's... All right, first kill. I am so glad you keep going. Alien, not bad at all. Let's head to that base. There you go. It's a G3 base. Okay, let's just clean up out of here. Now grab the warp drive. We'll use this to warp the hell off this doomed planet. Sorry, no offense. I don't mean to upset you, but yes, your planet is doomed right now. Hey, listen, don't worry about the beeping. The beeping's fine. It's gonna blow up soon. We just need to plug this thing into power. Do you have something back at your house? You know, if you live in one of these huts around here, take us there, because we gotta move. Listen, bring me up close to your face. You can aim better. Perfect. Now just look down the sights. Fine. You're doing great, by the way.
Oh, thank God you're still alive. I just killed an alien. Look, I got blood in my mouth. I think we're all gonna die.
You got anything in here that emits, I don't know, microwaves? I know it's a lot to ask.
What, like a fucking microwave? Oh, whoa. I can understand your gun now.
Translator microbes, they're contagious, but can please just move past all this shit?
So,
Oh, thank God, it worked. Okay, it's just a second to boot up.
oh my God, that's the scary alien we saw kill Mr. Pilfrey.
Leader of the G3 cartel, don't resist. Any attempts to fight us would be futile.
Crazy.
You are now officially the property of the G3 cartel.
All right, it's go time. Let's get out of here.
Wait, get out of here? Where are we going?
To find somebody who can help. You ever been to the big city? Because you're about to, except that it's a space city. It's a huge space city, and you're gonna be out of your element. And you better just follow my lead.
What just happened?
Looks like we made it. Welcome to Blim City.
Did you just warp our entire house to another planet?
Yeah, keep up. We'll be safe here. Now take me outside.
Whoa, you're just gonna leave me here in what, space? Are we in space?
Yeah, sorry, I know you're a bit shaken up, but you'll be fine. It's better than getting enslaved by the G3. Trust me.
I guess that's true. How the hell are we gonna get back to Earth? You're going out there? Into space?
Yeah, welcome to fucking space! So this is Blimp City. Not bad, huh? I don't know how we're gonna find Gene though. Let's just ask around. There's all kinds of aliens out here. Let's just ask. He is famous. Hey, well, don't shoot the hook bug. That's probably somebody's pet. Hey, looking for Gene Zaruthian, the bounty hunter? Any idea where he might be?
Who? No. Do you know how many freaking people live here? And you expect me to know?
Yeah, fuck it. Let's move on. Let's just go. Hey, we're looking for Gene Zaruthian. I'm not sure. Maybe you could help?
Oh, I wish I knew where he was. He owes me like 300 pesos.
Huh, that doesn't sound like Gene Zaruthian to me. Hey, calm down. We don't need to shoot everybody. Okay, this isn't going so well, but let's keep asking around. We'll find something, I swear. Would you chill out? They don't need to die. Where the hell is he? Blimp City's always been his headquarters, you know? We can't give up. Hello?
Get away. Don't take my shit.
Oh my god. It can't be.
What do you want?
You're not the famous bounty hunter Gene Zaruthian, are you?
Who's asking?
You're really Gene.
Yeah, I'm really Gene. That's me, like on the ads. Disappointed? Guess how I feel.
Okay, well, whoopsies. We were gonna ask for your help fighting the G3 cartel, but...
Kid, do I look like I can help anyone? I just got evicted. I don't even have a goddamn home.
Can you point us in the direction of, you know, a bounty hunter friend that's still working, you know, still has their legs?
Ho. Look at that nice house. God damn. Where'd that come from? That's a great fucking house. You see that house?
Huh? Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, that's this hairy alien's house, the one holding me.
God damn. Can't stop looking at that beautiful house. Yeah, okay. The gears are turning. Maybe I can help you.
You can? But you just said...
Yeah. I said I'd help you fight the... Who'd you say? The G3 cartel? Oh, yeah. Come on, that's crazy, but... Okay, whatever. Yeah, sure. We'll kill them all. Easy. I've got a fully operational bounty suit in my cart over there.
Really? Well, that's convenient.
Yeah, I could turn that hairy kid of yours into a true blue bounty hunter. But if they die, I want the house. That's the trade.
Are you sure? I don't think they've even fired a gun before today. And wait, you want the house in return?
Yeah, this is a great deal for you. I mean, you get all my old bounty hunter shit, and I might get a house.
I don't know.
Enough talking. Just be a gun for a second. You, hairy kid, put on the suit. See how you feel. Then make a decision, yeah? I can always just pawn this shit off.
Okay, go ahead. Try it on. What choice do we have?
Wow, you look great, kid. Natural. Definitely not gonna die on your first bounty.
All right, I guess we'll give it a shot, but I don't know about this.
Yeah, shit. It's still in trial mode. I pawned off the activation license. The ticket should be in one of your pockets. Some loose change, too. Should be enough. Take that down to Mr. Keep's pawn shop, and he'll get you all set up. The suit will help you get there.
Hey there, Gene Zaruthian. It's me, Pseudo, your helpful bounty hunting assistant. Before I enable mobility, I just need to make sure your info scanner is online. Can you go ahead and give the area a quick scan for me? Okay, perfect. Great job. I've identified your current objective. Head on down to Mr. Keep's pawn shop. Can you see the waypoint? Perfectamundo, everything is in working order. Mobility unlocked. You are free to move, Gene.
All right. Get things set up at your house while you're gone.
Ooh, oops, sorry about all those pop-ups. I forgot to warn you about that. You can close them with the interact button, but they are gonna keep coming back nonstop. That's just gonna keep happening until you activate the license. Sorry, you better hurry up.
Yeah, okay, let's just head to Mr. Keeps, I guess? You able to see okay? Sorry, I didn't expect Gene to be like that.
What's up, freak?
Jorb, greet the customer properly.
Welcome to Mr. Keeps, dipshit. We're your friendly neighborhood pie shop. Buy something or don't, nobody even cares.
Jorb! I'm so sorry. Jorb is insane. Come on up to the counter. Let me help you out. Oh, so old Zaruthian doesn't feel like pawning his license key anymore. What? Did he win the sweepstakes? Ha! Okay, so you want this license key. But it's really nice. I kinda want it for myself.
You've got enough useless shit, Dad.
Fine, take it. It's yours.
Okay, fuck yeah! Activation license accepted. Bounty hunting suit is in perfect working order. Time for an important question. Would you like to keep me on as your permanent in-suit advisor? That was the best choice you could have made. All right, bye-bye now. I'll be back a bunch.
Whoa, not bad. It's got your vital readings, armor levels, even my biometrics. Gene really came through, didn't he? I told you he'd be great.
Perfect. Just what this galaxy needs. Another good-for-nothing bounty hunter. Out of my store!
All right, bounty hunter. I guess let's head back to the house and check in with Gene. You'll find it. You'll figure it out.
Hey, you can run, you know. I don't know how to do that. Try hitting the button on your screen. I can't say the name of the button because I have no fucking clue what kind of controller keyboard you're using.
Huh, there's little guys coming out of your house. That okay? Let's save the homicidal urges for the bad guys, okay?
Hey! Nice house you got here. Real ritzy. Way better than my bench.
Oh, wow, you really made yourself at home, huh?
Oh, there you are. Who's this weirdo, and why is he setting up a fucking huge alien computer in our living room?
Okay. First of all, that alien computer is a very expensive and surprisingly operational Bounty 5000. So, you're welcome.
What, 5,000?
The kid here thinks they're gonna be a big bad bounty hunter. I set them up with some fancy equipment, so they're letting me have the house when they die.
Kid? They're not my kid. I'm their sister. How old do you think I am?
Listen, Hairball, I don't know what kind of alien you are or how fast you age. I'm just making my best guesses here.
You were only gone 5 minutes, and you already told some random alien he could move in with us. That's what you did.
Look, I know it's a lot all at once, but we need him to save your... So what? We just jump into the deep end and start hunting down G3 officers, or what?
I'm not sure you're ready just yet. I mean, they don't let you fuck the Glumpers at Glumpies without a level 4 fuck pass, do they?
What? I don't know.
Well, they don't. Maybe I should send you out on a little test run first, eh?
Okay, sure.
I've got just the thing. A small-time local gangster by the name of Nine Torg. She took my favorite knife. She's got an operation out in the slums. Maybe you kill her and get my knife back. Then we'll talk. Maybe take you out to Glumpies to celebrate.
All right, so we just head out to the slums?
No, moron. You gotta use the Bounty 5000 to initiate a bounty. That's what I went through all the trouble of setting it up for.
Okay, Jesus.
Shit. Normally that door would open up a gateway that lets you walk right through it.
So what do we do?
Calm down. The bounty place right here in Blam.
Don't forget to get my knife.
We're looking for the gateway to the slums, I guess? Look, it shouldn't be too far. Listen, just follow the waypoint. That's why you're wearing that fancy suit, isn't it? It's got the augmented reality thing on it, right?
Hello, citizens. I'm Blinton, Plug Nugman, and I have heard the city's water supply has clearly been poisoned again by Gary the Poisoner.
Hey! Don't even think about going...
Hey, kid, excuse me, can we get we need to make our way into the slums, please?
No.
Hold on. So you really want to get into the slums, huh? Then settle a bet for us.
Come on, don't make him answer this, man.
I want to know.
It's fine, we'll help.
Okay, great. If you saw us at the bar, which of us would you ask out?
I guess the red guy.
Whoa, seriously?
Okay, come on. You don't gotta say that just to make him feel better. He's a big boy. He can take it if you think he's way uglier than me.
No, they said me. They picked me, dude. They picked me, not you. They picked me. They said I was hotter, not you.
Well, it's true. Look at you. I'm not a liar, man. I never lied in my life. I look at you and I see filth.
No, well, that's not what they said. And they said they picked me. They said I was hotter. Didn't you say that?
Listen, we're not switching around here. We picked the red guy. That's the direction we're moving in.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank you so much for that changing. I really thought you were going to flake on me. Thank you.
No, fuck you. Change your mind right now. Pick me instead. This is insane. I am so much hotter.
You need to chill out, all right? They picked me, and that's final. That's a final pick. If you want to throw a fit, do it on your own time. Just let me have this one time, man. Hey, thanks for being honest. Look, don't tell anyone, but you can go through my door anytime you want from now on. Our little secret. Free passage in and out of the slums.
Wow, thank you. You have no idea how helpful that is.
Well, my door's locked forever. You made an enemy today. You're never, ever gonna get to use...
I think we handled that as best we could, you know?
I've never been topside.
Oh, Lord.
Topsider.
Hey,
Not
God, I
interested.
broke my fucking leg coming down that pipe. Be careful.
Sorry to hear that.
Well.
Whoa, what are you doing? Come on, he's just a kid. Don't shoot him.
Oh, you don't want to shoot me just 'cause your gun said not to, just 'cause you your little gun. Oh, but you look how shootable I look. I look so shootable.
I am not shooting a kid.
Go ahead, do it. Shoot me first. You shot me up there.
All right, there. Are you happy now? Well, I didn't think we'd be allowed to kill him. Normally, killing children in games isn't allowed, but he's dead. We killed this kid. Are you happy now? We killed the kid. The kid is dead now. Shit. Take down these drones.
So it finally happened. Someone killed my son.
Your son?
Yep, the kid up there who always calls everyone fresh meat.
We are so sorry. Listen, don't get used to that. We're not killing any more kids. I'm drawing the line, so savor it, enjoy it. It happened. Tuck it away in the old memory book.
No, it's fine. He was 30 years old, so don't feel too bad. 30 years old is still adolescence for our species, but it's not as bad as shooting like a 5-year-old or something. So don't worry, you just did regular murder. And I warned him over and over. I said, don't sit up there calling strangers fresh meat, or some gun-toting psychopath is gonna shoot you dead in cold blood. And you went and did it. Good.
Hey, you can't pass through here. It's Nine Torg's turn.
Jesus, enough with everyone getting in our way. We just want to kill Nine Torg.
Yeah, right. You killed Nine Torg? Get lost. Hey, what the fuck? Holy shit, you just killed Jason. Jason's dead.
Oh shit, here we go. We're gonna have to kill some of these Torg foot soldiers to prove ourselves around here. These people think we're weak. Not on my watch.
What are you, some kind of bounty hunter? The slums are full, asshole. Yeah, this is Nine Torg's turn.
Shit, they're shooting at us. Come, shoot back. Come on, shoot back.
It's gonna be so easy to kill you. Nine Torg treats us real good. We're the toughest enemies in the game, I think.
I guess this time I ruined your picnic. I'm
so lonely over here. I got all this great information. Hello there, friend. Can I help you?
Do you know how we can get to 9 Torg?
Buddy, all I know is fish, and I barely know fish. But let's just pretend there's a laundromat you can sneak through to get to Sludgeworks over there.
Are we pretending, or is there really a laundromat?
Come on, kid, take the hint. Either we're pretending, or 9 Torg's goons kill me for squealing.
Okay, I got it. We're pretending.
Oh, Christ, just follow that path along the sludge.
Hey, thanks for the info, Wise Fisherman. See you later.
Have a good day now.
Party trick I used to do? Aim at the platform. I told you! Did you see how fun that was? I call it my log. It comes out of my trick hole. All ganglions have a different kind of trick hole. Mine does this. Boy, you are learning a lot today, aren't you? Yes! Oh my god! Well, hey, does this fucking rule? God, I love you doing big gluey globs. Hold up, don't shoot. I got an idea. It's another trick. My little slimy. Hitting him with my glob shot. Take your time.
Fuck! You're gonna kill us!
Oh, God. Oh, perfect shot! You fucking nailed it! How sick was that? Whew. Okay, I gotta recharge. Too long, but it's a little longer when there's enemies nearby. You know, my body gets too tense. It's like trying to piss when someone's watching, you know? We can't open those yet. We're gonna need something sharp. Oh shit, come on, guys! Use my glove shot and just shoot him in the air. I'll try to it's gonna look sick, I promise. Sorry, yeah, my glove shot takes a little longer during a fight. My muscles are loose. I always hated alien ant farms. Looks like he was dying clean only.
Hey, careful with the merchandise.
Hold up a bit. Let's listen.
Line up and everything. They're gonna be here any minute. Just be patient.
Boy, fuck you! I'm sick of this! I want to tear through someone's guts!
Oh, I think they're talking about Gene's knife.
Fuck you!
Got it, freak. We've had enough of your bullshit.
Yes, it's your fault Stimulax is dead. I was in love with him. Do you know that? I loved him, and now his head's cut off.
Just the way it should be. Fuck him!
Hey, guess what? I have another secret trick you can use. The power of negotiation. Let's try reasoning with these guys. Knock on the door. Tell me how you want to play this.
Fuck you, insufferable fucking cunts. When I lose.
Who's there? Who are you?
Hey! Hello there, friends.
Oh, I think it's the buyer.
Hey, are you the buyer?
No, it's me, your lover Stimulax. I'm back from the dead.
What? Oh my god, baby! You're alive! Your voice sounds different, though.
Play along. No shooting.
Wait, you're not my dead lover, Stimulax. You're just a person. Oh, what a good trick. You tricked me. Nice job.
Hey, they told us this buyer was a real prankster.
Oh, you. Come on. That was pretty fucked up. That joke is gonna fuck me up.
You got him good. Okay, enough of that. Let's show them the product.
All right, here's the product. A genuine talking knife. I gotta be honest with you. He's a real piece of shit.
He's extremely violent. He basically only talks about wanting to kill people and